Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. When you encounter an error_connection_refused error in your web browser, it typically means that your request to a server was rejected or that the server is not reachable. This can happen for various reasons, including server misconfiguration, network issues, or firewall settings. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to troubleshoot and fix this error. Step 1. Check the server status. 1.1 Verify if the server is running. Make sure that the server you are trying to access is running. You can do this by using ping. Open your terminal or command prompt and type. Replace example.com with the actual domain or IP address of the server. If you get replies, the server is reachable. Checking with curl. You can also use the curl command to check the server status. This command will return HTTP headers. If you see a response, the server is up. Step 2. Check local network issues. 2.1 Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve network issues. 2.2 Disable VPN/proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it and see if that resolves the issue. Step 3. Check firewall and security software. 3.1 Disable firewall temporarily. Sometimes, your firewall settings may block the connection. To check this, Windows, go to Control Panel System and Security. Windows Defender Firewall. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Mac OS, go to System Preferences. Security and Privacy Firewall. Turn off firewall. 3.2 Check antivirus software. Some antivirus programs have built-in firewalls that might block connections. Temporarily disable your antivirus and see if the issue persists. Step 4. Check browser settings and cache. 4.1 Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser cache can sometimes solve connection issues. Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. 4.2 Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with connections. Try disabling all extensions and reloading the page. Step 5. Check the application server. If you are the developer or have access to the server code, you might want to check the application itself. 5.1 Check server configuration. If you're running a web server, like Apache, Nginx, etc., ensure it's configured correctly. For example, if you're using a Node.js server, check if the server is set to listen on the correct port. Ensure that the correct port is being used. The server is running and listening on the expected IP address and port. 5.2 Check for errors in server logs. Look for error logs in your server's log files. For example, if you're using Apache, you can check the error log typically located at /var/log/apache2/error.log. Step 6. Test with different networks. If possible, try connecting to the server from a different network, like a mobile hotspot. This can help determine if the issue is with your local network. Step 7. Review domain and DNS settings. If you're trying to access a domain by name, ensure that the DNS settings are correct. You can try using a public DNS server like Google DNS. Open your network settings and set the DNS server to. Conclusion. The error_connection_refused error can be caused by various factors, from server issues to local network problems. By following the steps above, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the issue effectively. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, consider reaching out to your hosting provider or network administrator for further assistance.